بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. My name is Ali الزهرة المياحي. I am master degree in computer science network technology at University Kibingsan, Malaysia, UKM. I'm going to explain about my smallest research under title Information Security. As we see here in outline, introduction, cryptography, data hiding, steganography versus cryptography, steganography stages, key issues for image steganography, cover media type of steganography, cover image steganography structure. Introduction, as we see here, nowadays information security is significant part in our daily life. So due to this reason, what we send or receive a private or general information which is need to protection and privacy against of any attack. Here, as we see, in digital world, we can define information security is cover a wide range of topics that fall under two significant disciplines, namely cryptography and data hiding. And then in this diagram or in this figure, as we see, the data hiding also has two disciplines which are steganography and watermarking. Cryptography. Cryptography is a technique used for hidden data by encryption and decryption. It is a Greek word. The first part of the word is crypto, which is mean hidden. The second part of the word graphian, which is mean writing. The advantage of cryptography is giving meaninglessness into message even though human visual system can see the message but it is still meaningless. Data hiding. Data hiding, there are the most significant technique under data hiding such as steganography and watermarking as we see or as shown in this diagram or as we see here. Data hiding has two disciplines which are steganography and watermarking. Steganography is considered the most common subdiscipline of data hiding. It combines the Greek words. The first one, the word steganos, meaning covered, concealing, or protected. The word graphian, meaning writing. Steganography is the art of the concealing a secret data or a secret information within media such as image. By the way, if we see this picture, there is a long story behind steganography or hidden data, starting with a nobleman that needs some idea to communicate with a relative son-in-law. He founded an idea of making a tattoo on the scalp of his slave after shaving his hair, as we see here. Then, after his hair grew up again, he sent him to the son in law, where in this case the hair hides the message in the scalp of the slave. So, when the slaves reaches the other sides, he must be shaved again to see the message of the tattoo. It means when the slaves reaches or arrive or get in the destination to other side, he must be shaved again to see the secret message of the tattoo. Steganography versus cryptography. As we see in this table, there is some verses or there is some points between steganography and cryptography. One, steganography, it is a technique to hide the existence of the communication. It is a kind of hidden communication. Steganography doesn't change the overall structure of the data. The final result obtained is known as stegomedia. As it has been discovered, anyone can get the secret data. Whereas cryptography, it is a technique to convert the secret message into other than human readable form. It is a kind of non-communication. Cryptography alter or change the overall structure of the data. The final result obtained is known as ciphertext. As it has been discovered, on one can easily get the secret data. Steganography stages. There is four stages, important four stages or significant stages in steganography. The first one is data preparation, and the second stage is embedding process, and the third stage is evaluating the stego image, and the last one, fourth stage, is extracting stage. Key issues for image steganography. As we see here in important key issues, the first one is security, and the second one capacity, and then robustness. The key issues and challenges for image steganography especially are associated with the three main aspects, as we say, security and capacity and robustness, as shown here with this citation. The cover media type of steganography. There are, as we see here, many types of media used to host the data, such as the first one, text and image and audio, video, protocol, and DNA. Here we will discuss about the image steganography. The cover image for image steganography. In steganography system or in image steganography, especially a dataset is defined as a group of images which is used to benchmarking with another researcher or with existing literature, as shown here in this image, like images like Lina map, baboon map, paper map, Barbara map, airplane map, camera map, tree, and Tiffany map. Why we select the image in image steganography? Because there is some reasons to select the image in image steganography. The first one, image is most popular multimedia over the internet or web. The second reason, because or due to the availability of the image and easy to use by the user. And the third reason, it is more challenging. Here, as we see in steganography structure, as we see in steganography system, there are two parties sharing the secret message in a cover object. When the send is the when the sender is is sending the stego image here, as we see here, after embedding stage, so by any channel of internet like WhatsApp, like Facebook, like Twitter, anyone, so he will send the secret data by these channels. So the receiver in another part or in the second part can receive the stego image or the stego media, so to recover the secret message by extracting stage, and he will get the secret message or secret information by this stage, and also he will get the original cover image. Finally, I hope this explain is benefit and valuable information for you and anyone interested in it. And thank you for your attention. Thank you so much.